This is the second part of this topic under mobile application architecture. In this video, I will be talking about dependency injection. So let's get started. So what we are going to learn today is about dependency injection. The agenda is first I will be introduce you what is it about this topic, and then we are going to look at several ways of doing dependency injection, starting from using the global approach and then constructor injection approach. The third one is inherited widget by using inherited widget for dependency injection, and then finally the fourth approach by using service locator approach. Okay, let's get started with the introduction to dependency injection. So what is it, and how what and why dependency injection? Okay, so what is dependency? Okay, dependency basically, as the name implies, it's something to do with one part of one entity relies on another on other entities. So since we are focusing our discussion here on our software development, the entity is about the code itself. So here we are talking about dependency on software, which is dependency is basically code relies on other codes in order to achieve or in order to accomplish its task. Okay, so that one is dependency. So for example, okay, here I give you an example screen. So this the code here is the screen itself, the widget for this screen. So in order to build this screen, we need informations like the user, right? We need users information because we want to render the user profile here, the avatar, and also the username. So user here is basically a dependency to the screen, because this screen relies on this user. And we also need information about this. Here is about a to-do list. Okay, we need this information, okay, a list of to-dos. And also we are going to perform operation on the to-do list. So in order to do that, we also need some dependencies. Okay, like in order to vote, then you need operation that acts or performs on the database. Okay, because whenever you do something on the data, you will also need to update your database. Okay, and that's all about dependency. Okay, code relies on other codes to accomplish certain tasks. Okay, so in this case, to render this screen. Then what is dependency injection? Okay, the keyword here is injection. So dependency injection basically how to supply or how to provide the dependencies to the requiring code. So for example, how we provide this user information, how we provide the list of to-dos, and then how we provide the service for doing the voting here, this like and dislike. So that one is dependency injection. Okay, yeah, in fact dependency injection is basically just a catchy name or a glorifying name to indicate that how we provide the data, how we provide the dependencies. Okay, it can be data or it can be services. Okay, and in this video, we are going to look at several approaches of provisioning the dependencies, starting from the global approach, and then we are going to look at the constructor way, and then inherited widget, and finally we are going to look at the last one, which is service locator. The service locator is basically the one that actually we are going to use later in our architecture. Okay.